No, don't we at the Pollard Ferry? That's incredible, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Is it dry in that, Goose?
Right, get it close and forward.